friends, welcome back to my channels. In this tutorials, I'm going to explain which PLC's CPU is compatible for the pulse mode high-speed outputs and which is not compatible. So let's start the video. If you are going to develop a logic for the pulse outputs for the servo, so I recommend you only select MT. MT means transistor type CPU, not relay type CPU. So I'm going to explain how to select in PLCs. So for that you have to click system parameters and here you can see like CPU models. This is the FX5U32MR and yes. Means relay types extension board supported. So in this video and this CPU is not compatible for the high speed output or pulse output signals. So simply click and select MT and TS based. Check no error. Simply click and OK. So your configurations has been done. So simply convert and rebuild and OK and just wait for the completions. Okay, that's good. There is no error. So now I have to assign for the output high speed and inputs. So basically in this case I have recorded only the high speed output, not the input. So this is the basic POU and simply click high speed IO means high speed input output. When you click on this high speed IO tag, so you have to see this type of window. Simply there are some mentions, there are interrupted pulses cache and high speed counters, pulse width wish. So basically I required only functions. So in this functions you have two options. First positioning, second PWM. PWM means pulse width modulation. Positioning means like in one pulses how many centimeter you want to displacement from place to another place. This is the positioning. Here you can this in the positioning mode you have access support inbuilt features and this is also have the pulse width modulation. In pulse width modulation there are 4 channels like 4 outputs. Input. When you click use Y0 supported and for the channel 2 means servo 2, simply click use and give Y0. Simply click for channels, simply click and here you can see required output signals to have select Y3 and this is the output positive logics. This is the pulse width cycles 1 mm. You can select 1 microsecond and 1 millisecond. Based on your the system you have to select. And this is the output means when you run this logic you have to assign positive integer value in the for the forward directions. If you want to remove in the reverse you have to execute this logic now to move the direction means big step means speed value, sorry, positions value. So simply click check the generators and simply click and save. Simply click the generators. You have to check the output checks like this is are the configurable settings. So I have chosen like CH1, CH2, CH3, CH4 for the I have configured 4 different output channels. So basically the configuration has been completed. Click yes, click convert and check rebuild all functions and wait for the completions. Your completion click and start the logic for the positioning expression disperses output. In the PLSY function, simply for the details info, click and replace a functions. Yes, I am showing you what the functions is required to execute these logics. Simply when you click the PLSY function blocks, first HN and second HN and first command speed are for device. This is our the speed command. Second positioning address. Positioning address means how many are micro mm we want to try. So simply click this 6 and check like the section 32. So this is the positioning. The last is the each axis you have to run like yeah first assigned for the first y0 second y1, so simply assign enters like y0 axis like when you enable this same 501 the instructions has been executed and for the speed commands achieve the positioning addresses and simply click converts and check results and all settings has been built and simple logics has been completed. So please subscribe my channel.